welcome to my channel. My name is Binta, and if you were new here, you know what I'm about to say. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I just want to say thank you so much for you all who have been subscribed to my channel and watching my videos. I really appreciate this. You guys don't even know. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So today's video is going to be this makeup brushes cleaning. Okay, so today I am going to be cleaning my makeup brushes, and I just wanted to share with you guys how I clean my makeup brushes after using them. If you guys don't know, makeup is super dirty and you want to clean your brushes every time you use them, or at least after every 2 uses, you know, to prevent some breakouts. And y'all can see my face. Look at my face. I don't have breakouts. Look at that. I have a little bit of dark spots, but I have not been breaking out, and this here has contributed to that. Trust me. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I clean my brushes. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is everything I have. Here are my brushes, and as you guys can see, it is quite a lot. So yeah, I have my brushes here, and here I have my beauty sponges. I have 3 beauty sponges here, and I like to use the Palmolive antibacterial dish soap to clean my brushes. This just leaves my brushes pretty clean, very clean, and also it is an antibacterial soap as well, so that is good. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. Okay, there you go. So it is pretty good. Okay, so you don't have to get like a makeup like a brush cleaning soap or something. This does wonders, and I got the small bottle at Walmart. You can get it at Walmart for less than $1, so go just get this and you should be good. And here I have a silicone brush cleaner, so I'm just gonna attach this into my sink, and I'm going to be scrubbing the brushes onto this. And I got this from Amazon. It also comes with this, so it is 2-in-1. This is a drying rack for your makeup brushes. So as you guys can see, it has a hole, and you just insert your brushes in there and let them dry overnight or 24 hours or whatever you want to do. So you can get this on Amazon. I am going to be leaving a link down below for you guys just in case you are interested. So yeah, I also like to use a little glass container, and I like to soak my brushes in here for about 30 minutes to an hour just to get them soaked really good, and you know, get all the dirt out of the brushes before I start scrubbing them. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start doing that. Okay guys, look at my thing. I broke it. Like, look at that. Oh my god. So I went ahead and got another one, and this is a little smaller, so that means that I will not be able to soak all the brushes at once. So I'm gonna soak whatever can fit in here and do the rest when that is done, because I don't have 2 of these, so too bad. But I wanted to show you guys how I do this, so I am not going to postpone this video for tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of water in this. That is good. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my Palmolive soap in it like so. I'm making sure I put quite a lot because the brushes are really dirty, and this will probably not get foamy at all. So now that you do this, you can go ahead and just start putting your brushes in. Can you guys see how dirty the water is already? Oh my god. Can you guys see that? Sure. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so we're gonna let that soak, and I'm gonna do the same for the sponges as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add water, some soap. Alright guys, so my brushes have soaked for over 1 hour, so it's been here for over 1 hour. So what I'm gonna do is use my silicone thing and then just attach it to my sink like so. You guys can see this is not going anywhere, so I love this because it just sticks to the sink and not go anywhere. So yeah, that is good because that way it will not be moving all over the sink. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take my brushes one by one and just brush it through the thing, and look how much came out. Can you guys see all that dirt? Amazing. So this is so easy. I used to use my hands to clean brushes, but since I got this, girl, it's been a really good help. And if you want, you can do like a second cleaning just to get it extra clean with a little bit of soap and just clean it again. And that is what the clean brush looks like. And I just wanted to show you guys the dirty brush and the clean brush. Can you guys see that? What a difference. Yeah, so basically this is what I'm gonna do for every single brush until I am done. And now that I got this brush clean, I'm just going to go ahead and insert it into one of these holes like so. And basically that is how you use the drying rack. And look at that, it is so easy, and the water is just gonna drip down instead of doing it like so. You don't want to dry your brushes facing upwards because the water is going to drip in the head of the brush, like right here, and it might cause your brush to come out. This part of the brush might end up just coming out because the glue is gonna get softened, or you know. But yeah, that is why you want to dry it facing downwards so all the water can just drop down. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and wash all my brushes and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so to clean the eyeshadow brushes, I like to take a couple at once, and then I'm gonna clean all of them at once instead of taking one at a time, because that is gonna take so much time and I don't have time for that. But because they're small brushes, you can go ahead and take a couple at once and then go ahead and do the exact same thing that you were doing with the other brushes. Okay, alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and clean my sponges, and right now they look pretty clean. I took them out of the water that I soaked them in and they look pretty clean right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more soap, and then I'm just gonna press with my hand and swirl. I'm just gonna swirl on my inside my palms like that and press. So that's just how you clean the sponge, just in your palms like that, and try to remove all the dirt in there. Can you guys see that? Look at that. But yeah, basically that's all I'm gonna do with the sponge, and I'm just gonna rinse and press to make sure you remove all the soap in it too. Hot water is the best for sponges though, so make sure you're using hot water on your sponges. That way you can disinfect even more. And that's what it looks like. So this is makeup that is not gonna come off. It looks like an eyeliner, so I don't know, but that does not come off. So yeah, so that is what that looks like, and I'm just gonna put that aside and then move over to the other one. Alright guys, so here are my clean brushes and sponges, and I'm just gonna let them dry here, and I place the sponges on top of a paper towel and the brushes. So here it is pretty clean, and I'm just gonna let them dry for about 24 hours, and because I want them to be really dry. So look at the sponge, it looks really clean compared to what it was looking like. But yeah, that is it. I will let them dry for 24 hours, and I will just transfer them in my brush holders and my sponge holders. Okay. Alright guys, so these are the brushes, and they're clean. As you guys can see, it looks pretty clean compared to what it was. And here are my sponges. So yeah guys, this is basically how I clean my brushes. Very simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye, and have a good one.